Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Seeker. So in today's reviews, there's a bundle of this is a WordPress toolkit, right? This WordPress toolkit actually is a 6 WordPress plugin in one, right? It's exclusive price here. This is a very special offer for this holiday special offer here, right? Okay, so in this reviews videos, I put together a bundle of bonuses that come together if you purchase this WP toolkits. Where the link below my video. Altogether, there are 6 plugins here, right? Okay, so what are the plugins here, right? Okay, so in this reviews, I have actually be sure to use what are the bonuses that come together. I even have a bundle of plugin I'm giving away as part of the bonus if you purchase this WP toolkits. These 6 plugins where the link below my video, right? Okay, so in this review page, there's a link to all each of these plugins that you can have a view the sales page here. So this, for example, if you have to purchase this alone, it's going to cost you 47. All right. Okay, so smart link basically is a full all-in-one link crocker. Right? Okay, and this is basically if you are going to crop your links, right? This is able to prevent any being blocked on social media site. Okay, so this is a very special sub plugin to crop the link and just have a blog niche toolkit, right? So this is a course it's a 3-in-1 blogging tool for key what is a free image importing article. You can use it to find free images and importing article, right? Okay, just the value alone is 47. You can have an individual sales page here, right? Okay, we have this keyword based affiliate link to all your existing content, right? Okay, this values as 27 values. Okay, so link or any keyword to any offer or any content, right? Okay, right, so you can link the keyword to any offer, right? Affiliate or your own, right? Okay, so include ready-made link to get you up and running immediately. So this one of the very useful plugin also, right? WP traffic guide is boost your income with self-optimized set and forget advertisement, right? And automatic suck in pure profit sales, right? Okay, so we have this number 5 is a WP video magic. It's a boost your WP blog and video marketing with the exact same but only the power Amazon Prime videos. So this is very cool plugin also. And the last one is a WP Automate app. This is complete blog monetization plugin. Get more lead and higher click-through rate for more traffic, right? So all these 6 plugins, they are having an offer, a special offer. I think they're selling at 47 for all the 6. If you have to buy it individually, definitely this is going to cost you more than $200. Okay, so all this is going to get in one-time price, 6 in one, and I think this is also other things that come together. They have this what we call this 100 over 100 video training. They come together also as part of this one. So it says over 100 high quality WordPress traffic and marketing training video and no extra cost. So apart from the 6 WP plugin, going to get over 100 high quality WordPress traffic and marketing training video. Right? Okay, everything will be bundled into one price. Only is 47. Right? Instead of you get individually, there's a lot of cost saving here, and all this is already high quality plugin. I don't think you can find any of this as a free plugin, right? Okay, so for this, there's a couple of the affiliate OTO. The front end is 47, right? Okay, the upsell is a GPL, right? GPL, I think this is come with the seller license and site health checkup and plugin setup. Also, this a plugin to do a site health check and wiper cache. This is another, right? So so all this is a very small funnel, but I think this is very useful. I think most of the blog they are running on the WordPress, right? So for this WP toolkit, I have actually this have a lot of bonuses here, and if you get the front end and OTO, you're going to get the nearby money, the 50,000 make money on the subscriber, and also access to the 6,000 plus PLR ebook and video, right? Okay, and have an exclusive 100 premium WP plugin also, right? So on top of the 6 plugin and the 100 over the show video, I'm also giving you my own exclusive 100 plus more popular WordPress useful plugin. Can have a preview here on what you'll be getting here. All this is a list of the it's a really long list. Associate link piece builder, right? Just a site stripe WP plugin, instant content creator, yeah, a lot of digital lockdown, and also we have this Sony dispatcher. The long list here, I'm going to when you actually place your order via the link below my video, you're going to get this whole list of the plugin, and you're able to download from, there's a download link here, right, for all these plugin, right? Okay, and really useful plugins, and definitely this is going to give you a lot of boost for your this WordPress website. Okay, a lot of very special plugin I'm giving to you here, over 100, right? All this is going to be used, right, if you purchase this everything via the link below my video, and you're going to get everything this for all these $47, right? Okay, there's no joke here, right? A lot of value I have prepared for you. It's 10 times drive premium, 100 software bonuses, right? Okay, so you're going to get everything from here, right? Okay, software plugin. And the second one, the VidSpark, I have other bonuses, video creation app, and also video library giveaway, right? And also with audio wizard, all these come with Reseller, very high quality card also. YouTube Hack 2021 and channel SEO or trick to run your YouTube video and channel, and your exclusive building training with 100 free solo app, right? And high ticket system, how to sell high ticket product, right? Okay, super affiliate software funnel, our 3 of the best software affiliate software you can sell as part of the funnel, okay? And we have the here is another really useful tools for your WordPress site. This is SEO tool on the cloud app, and we have the product launcher tag, right? How to make the best of your JV's product launcher, right? Email search, this is against how to actually increase your email open rate, CTR rate, and 250k funnel is funnel kit builder, alright, okay. And bot engage is this is a chatbot creation app also. This is traffic app also. Snap iShow is an app store builder, and also we have 15 free traffic meter you know, and free training how to make money without you selling anything, and also Jono's TikTok traffic app, and we have this Jono Instagram traffic app also, 100 giveaway, right? And vendors bonuses also, and exclusive bonuses below. This is some of the exclusive bonuses I put together, and 600,000 YouTube views currently, views case study, and how to find close high paying client, and what the secret exposure. Let me know your YouTube without showing your face or your voice. 16,000 case study, and we have this special branding blueprint and storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit, and buyer trigger, etc., and everything you're going to get as part of the 6 plugin you purchase, right? So there's a lot of value inside. These are also tech fast section. Grab this bundles of my software. Okay, they're over close to 300 item and bonuses, right? They are over 100 of plugins and software I put together for you here, right? And for the price of 47, definitely this is going to make you a lot of profit money using all this plugin. In some way, it's going to help you to get more lead and more sales, right? So tech fast section today, click the link below this video. When you come to this, click on this orange button, you bring you to this WP optimization suite, and just remember, you're going to get everything in one single price of 47, right? You get best selling plugin plus unlimited access to over 100 WordPress training video for just 47 one-time payment, right? Okay, so tech fast section today, and and lock now this one-time live together with my special exclusive bundle or the bonus, okay? Right, so that's it for today. I hope this plugin is going to help you to boost your traffic for your WordPress website, and ultimately it's going to take your business to the next level. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.